welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make Kung Pao chicken. Kung Pao chicken is a popular Chinese restaurant dish that consists of fried chicken, vegetables and peanuts. So this dish is really flavorful and it's so easy to put together. Stay tuned and see how we make this. Here we've got 500 grams of boneless chicken breast cut into bite chunks. Just go ahead and marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This process is called velveting. It helps to tenderize the chicken in chunks. Once the chicken is well coated in the marinade, you can leave this to rest for at least 20 minutes. While the chicken is resting, let's make the Kung Pao chicken sauce. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. The actual recipe calls for Chinese black vinegar. If you don't have it like I don't, you can substitute that with balsamic vinegar. 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of low sodium chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of Hoisin sauce, and lastly 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix all of these ingredients together to combine nicely. You can then set this aside. Place a large pan on the stove top. Add ½ tablespoon of cooking oil. Once your oil is heated, transfer the marinated chicken pieces into the oil and fry. Fry the chicken in the hot oil for about 5 to 8 minutes while stirring this intermittently. Now we're going to take this out of the pan. Add another ½ tablespoon of oil and then add the remaining chicken pieces and fry. After frying all your chicken pieces, clean the pan and then add another tablespoon of cooking oil. Add a teaspoon of grated ginger to the pan, 3 minced garlic cloves. Saute this for 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, go in with 6 pieces of red chili pepper. You can see all my chilies were cut into half. Cook this for a minute or until the chilies turn out aromatic and spicy. Next, go in with 2 tablespoons of chopped celery, red and green capsicums. I use 1 of each. Stir this for 2 minutes until all the peppers turn out slightly soft. After 2 minutes of cooking this, whisk the prepared sauce again. Now pour the sauce into the pan. Simmer this on medium heat for 4 minutes until the sauce is slightly thickened. Once you have a jelly-like consistency like so, return the fried chicken back into the sauce. Stir it to coat the chicken nicely. Next, add a 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. Mix it to coat nicely. After that, drizzle 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. and a 1/4 cup of chopped spring onions. Mix these to combine together. And then cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. You can now turn off the heat. And your Kung Pao chicken is ready. This Kung Pao chicken is so delicious. It's packed with lots of flavor and it was so easy to put together. I hope you try this one out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. If you liked the video, you can give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell button so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Until next time guys, I would love to see you very soon. Bye for now.